Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the Apple ID and device. Sign in to the same Apple ID that pays for Apple TV Plus because subscriptions tie to that account. Once signed in, make sure you know the billing date and whether Apple or a third party handles charges. This changes where you cancel. Now open Settings or the App Store on your device. On iPhone, tap your name. On Apple TV, open Settings and Accounts, so you can access subscriptions immediately and avoid accidentally pausing the wrong service. Next, locate your subscriptions page and inspect the Apple TV entry. On iPhone, you'll go to Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions. On Mac, use the App Store account info. On Apple TV, open Users and Accounts, then Subscriptions. Once you see Apple TV Plus or a channel, tap it so you can see renewal date, price, and who's billing. Make sure you're editing the correct subscription. If it's a family plan, check which family member is the owner before proceeding to cancel. To finish, select Cancel Subscription and confirm when the prompt appears. You must confirm to stop auto-renewal. Once done, note the access end date so you know when streaming stops. Apple usually allows access until the paid period ends. Make sure you get an email or receipt confirming cancellation. If cancellation fails, sign out and back in, try a different device, or contact Apple support for account-specific issues. This resolves most permission or billing source problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.